Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Gaza Boss, the teacher, Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel himself. With License to Kill. We're going to jump in the one and break down the one and see what the G has say. If anything go over my head, that's what the comment section is there for. I done lyricist breakdown. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. The other morning, and enough go over my head. So people are beating in the comment section saying me. They not really beat me still. They must say, yo, you miss a lot. But if me miss, just put what me miss in the comment section. Simple. Me not gonna catch everything. Cause me have a lot of things I go on with. You understand? So we can jump in the one and answer what the G has said. Let's go. So that one I dropped quite a while back. So Jazzy T, I think that one was a Jazzy T production as well. Big up Jazzy T. So we can jump in the one and see what the G has say. No. Man, Johnny Wonder. Alright, let's go.
I can't tell you now. Yeah. Try this me and run away. You can't escape. Capacity now your chest play.
As the rhythm start, the bass just jump in. Try this me and run away. You can't escape. Where you escape go, no matter where you remember say me name the real boss. No matter where you go, me I go find you. Let's go.
When we are searching boy, we search like Netscape. You can't man.
When we are search for boy, we search like Netscape. Netscape was like an internet, but not like Netscape was an internet browser before Internet Explorer, Yahoo, Google, Google, and all them something. It was one of the first, but Netscape lose out to likes of Internet Explorer and them thing there because Internet Explorer was big at the time. So that's how I must say. When I'm searching boy, I'm searching like Netscape. So it's equivalent to Google right now. Yeah.
Manage my anger like the Seeker, crime faker. Don't play with the baddest bomb clock man in a Jamaica.
You can't manage my anger. In my refer back to the anger management rhythm with Dasieka make. You can't manage my anger. Dasieka. Blah blah blah. You see me? So in my refer back to the anger management rhythm. Let's hear the part again.
Like the Seeker, crime faker. Don't play with the baddest bomb clock man in a Jamaica.
Don't play with the bumbuckler baddest man in a Jamaica. Them time the Cartel around the whole place. Cartel is still the man if you think about it. He's still the man, bro. Like, come on.
Me bust me gun without license. Shot by top boy ears like Tyson. No.
Me bust me gun without license. Nah, me not a license gun. What about that? Yeah. Me bust me gun without license. Shot bite off boy face like shot bite off boy ears like Tyson. Remember the infamous fight with Tyson and Holyfield. Tyson bite off his ears. That's why I must say, yo, shot bite off his ears like Holyfield. Like when Tyson bite off Holyfield ears.
And in a Jamaica, me bust me gun without license. Shot bite off boy ears like Tyson. No farmer registration on the rifle.
No farmer registration. The serial number robot, nothing up on the rifle is untraceable. You can't chase it.
Stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth shotty never come with fitness.
People stifle when it rise like the Eiffel Tower. Double mouth shotty never come with fitness.
Station on the rifle. Stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth shotty never come with fitness. Which pussy want come a court about witness?
Them time the witness are dead left, right, and center. Them still are dead now, but they must say, yo, which pussy want come a court about witness? Witness what? We a witness. You know witness nothing, man. What? Fines. Nobody not got a court. Let's go.
Witness gunshot a fly through your crate. So while me no license me gun, but me license for blood clot case.
Witness gunshot a fly through your grill. Tower Hill, me no license me gun, but me license for kill. Big up Tower Hill.
Rifles long like giraffe, handgun them fatter than a hippo.
Oh, bucklat! Me rifle them long like giraffe, handgun them fatter than a hippo. Bucklat! What you say? Handgun them fat like what? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Alright, let's go.
Gun but me license for blood clot case. Me rifles long like giraffe, handgun them fatter than a hippo. And them no go dippo, me no follow back.
Yo, what Cartel confident thing, dog? Like, really? How, dog? Oh. Jesus.
Command like hippo. Follow AK, Uzi, the calico. Make a leng with.
Alright. One binds the fire. One binds fire in right this a while ago. Listen what I'm saying.
And them no go dippo, me no follow back. Command like hippo.
Me not follow back a man like Keep Rich him attack. Them time they Keep Rich and Lexus apart, or Keep Rich and Elephant apart. I can't remember which time frame that was, but Keep Rich was parring with the artist, the other artist them, and never make a name for himself like how him have a name for himself now. So he might tell us that him not follow back a man like Kipo. That style keep for this. But Kipo never answer still. Yo, the man say make Leng retire, say my secret. That a Leng, I say a Leng will keep sting. Remember say Leng was a police. Him say make Leng retire and say my secret, so him can't deal with cartel. So yeah, me go retire now and I can't deal with this. Lot lad. Like keep up. Make Leng retire, say me a secret. We will do the time like Mandela. He murder the. Remember say 25 years Mandela do you know. Remember say 13 you do not cheat. Man say we do the time like Mandela. Nelson Mandela do time before he become Nelson Mandela that we know. Understand? Yeah. Me will do the time like Mandela. He murder the whole of them like Steve Biko. From me. Me will do the time like Mandela. He murder the whole of them like Steve. I don't know who that is. I don't know which person that is. I have to do my research. Me will do the time like Mandela. He murder the whole of them like Steve Biko. Steve Biko. Who is Steve Biko? Who is Steve Biko? Remember, so we are breakdown enough. So who is Steve Biko? Who is Steve Biko? Can I find it quickly before? Steve Biko. I don't know who it is. Steve Biko was a black. Okay, so Steve Biko, B-I-K-O. Okay. Okay. So he's an African revolutionary. Okay, Steve Biko. Big up yourself. Let's go. From Mexico, Black Mexico, we will do the time like Mandela. He murder the whole of them like Steve Biko. Uzi from Mexico, Black from Puerto Rico. Or Uzi from Mexico, Black from Puerto Rico. Not American, that's the name of that. The American Eagle picture. Me bust me gun without license. Are the American Eagle pipe? Are the American Eagle picture? Desert Eagle in attack. Picture. Bye. Registration on the rifle. People stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth chatty never come with fitness. Which pussy want come a court about witness? Yo, them time of them reading me, I shell out the whole place in a dog like, come on. Who is the pan reading me? Witness gunshot a fly through your crate. So while me no license me gun, but me license for blood clot kid. Me better than 10 Palestine, 10 Russia, 10 China. Me better than 10 Palestine, 10 Russia, 10 China. You are that, you know. You are. Yo. Why them a pussy like 80 vagina? Shot with shot boy, I know me be no kinda. Why them a pussy like 80 vagina, 80 pum pum, 80 punani, 80 pussy. Yes, several pussies. Shot me shot boy, I know me be no kinda. Connect. Listen to that one, connect. Yeah, that one they connect like how that one they connect a while ago. So it said. Bling Dog give me 3 ingram from Carolina. Him say it's not major, it's minor. Big up Bling Dog. Bling Dog give him 3 ingram from Carolina. You don't know. Not Carolina, South Carolina. Bling Dog give him three of them from Carolina and say, yo, listen, when I say it major, it no minor. You see it? Yeah. It again. Here be no kinda. Bling Dog give me 3 ingram from Carolina. Him say it's not major, it's minor. Bullet in a chest. Oh, okay. Him say it's not major, it's minor. So him a tell us say Bling Dog give me that say yo, I'm here. Smart in that man. Hold up, bro. We have enough more here, so. That what I mean there, so. Oh, me I go on so far. Me I break down everything. Cause on say me now, on say some flavor me head now. If I miss something, me I go do my research right away. Let's go. Like wicked in a hole or somebody. C4 with the timer, make body finer. Me bust me gun without license. Shot. C4 with the timer. Beep, beep with the countdown. Yes. Bite off boy ears like Tyson. No farmer registration on the rifle. People stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth chatty never come with fitness. Which him aggressive to the whole song. Even the chorus aggressive like. Him not ease up. Them time I can't tell, yo. Pussy want come a court but witness. Witness gunshot a fly through your grill. Me no license me gun but me license for blood clot kid. Once again, big up Tower Hill. Don't know. The G said Tower Hill. Rifles long like giraffe, handgun them fatter than a hippo. And them no go dippo. Me no follow back a man like hippo. Oh, Kippo never answer this door. Me no follow back a man like hippo. Style enough. Style. A style.
AK Uzi the calico. Make Leng retire, say me a sicko. Me will do the time like Mandela. Fi murder the whole of them like Steve Biko. Uzi fra-
All right. The Steve Biko, what I say, is a South African revolutionary. I need to do my research more on him and see what is happening and who is Steve Biko. So obviously he was an African revolutionary. So I'm gonna do a bit more reading on Steve Biko, cause the first me I hear about him, you see me. So yeah, we are gonna do the do what we need to do pan Steve Biko and see who he is.
From Mexico, black from Puerto Rico, or the American Eagle figure. Me bust me gun without license. Shot by top boy ears like Tyson. No for
Yo, the rhyming scheme just solid all the way from the intro. Well, there was no intro, him just straight tonight. Solid.
my registration on the rifle. People stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth chatty never come with fitness. Which pussy want come a quote about weakness?
Look on the thumbnail as well, guys. Look on the thumbnail. License to Kill. You see him face. Yeah, that's his face, right? Then you see 3 shot. Yo.
This gunshot a fly through your brain. Don't worry, me no license me gun, but me license for blood clot kill. Me better than 10 Palestine, 10 Russia, 10 China. Why them a pussy like 80 vagina?
Yo. Oh, one vagina wasn't enough, Kartel. Like 80? Walla 80? Walla 80 pum pum? If a man say your pussy that bad enough, but when him say your 80 pussy that hard enough.
We shot boy, I know me be no kinda. Bling dog give me 3 ingram from Carolina. Him say it's not major, it's minor.
Them time the whole artist am a link. Alliance up and running. You see my shout out Bling Dog, yes sir? Big up Bling Dog, said we.
Bullet in a chest like wicket in a hole or somebody. See through with the timer.
Bullet in a chest. Oh, Mr. Potter. Bullet in a chest. Like wicket in a hole or Sabina. Cricket. Hole. Wicket in a hole. Like you get it? Yes, bullet in a chest like hole or Sabina.
Major, it's minor. Bullet in a chest like wicket in a hole or somebody. See through with the timer. Make body finer.
Remember though, if I see 4 touch your door. If I see 4 touch your body I got hard to find. Eh? Yeah, I with it. Yo, I'm not going to freestyle. Read him done. Hear me I say, tell me one thing about that one, yeah. I don't say this is Kartel with just lyrics. If I miss another one, yeah, let me know in the comment section. I doubt I've missed anything though. I doubt I've missed anything. Let me know how me go on. Cause if I miss something, you tell me say I miss something. If I don't miss another one, yeah, tell me say yo dog, you're going good. You don't miss another one, yeah. Alright? Cause you don't know. Like I said, that time I was tired. I was half asleep, but I still managed to do the reaction. So let me know what you think about that one. Gaza fans, represent in the comment section. We're there, man. Outside.
Jamaica's worst gamer.